What's going on, guys? Here's an update video of the steering wheel issue I had with my Dodge Ram. The steering wheel was turning kind of hard. It was hard to turn, rather. So I'm going to do an update video on it. It's been about 2 years since I initially hit my steering wheel spline and the steering wheel shaft with WD-40, but it's been 2 years and it still is turning pretty good. I'm receiving a little bit of resistance, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it again with some WD-40. Sorry, I really can't see as well, but I'll try to get as close as possible so you guys can see what I'm spraying. Let me zoom in a little bit. There go the spline right there. I'm going to hit it with some WD-40 right in there. Like I said, it's been 2 years since I initially sprayed it, and it is still operating well. So I wanted to do a quick update video. If your steering wheel is turning kind of hard on your Dodge Ram, don't take it into the dealership and get charged $1,000 for something you don't need. Check out my original video on this. The picture is more clear. But don't take it to the dealership because you're going to pay for something you definitely don't need. And since I'm at it, I might as well hit my doors. If your doors are squeaking and making loud noise, just hit it with some WD-40. You can do all your doors. When you go to open your doors up, if it's making a loud, irritating, squeaking noise, just hit it with WD-40. Go ahead and hit all the doors up. So you're getting a 2-for-1 today. Yep, you guys getting a 2-for-1 today. Basic maintenance on your doors. Just hit it with WD-40 if it starts to squeak when you go to open it, and that'll fix the problem. Back in the Ram, let's start it up. There you go. Steering is good. No issues. This Ram has almost 200,000 miles on it. As you can see, my check engine light is on. I already know what the issue is. I need to change my oxygen sensor. So if your check engine light is on, just change your oxygen sensor. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos that may help you in your vehicle. Talk to you later.